In this video, I'm going to show how to fix AMD Timeout has occurred error in Windows 10 and 11. First thing, go here and type in Device Manager. And here you want to type in display, go to Display Adapters. Now here I don't have the AMD driver graphics card, but if you open this and you do have it, you're going to do the exact same process. So this process works for the same AMD. So just you're going to find your AMD graphics, right click on it and click Update the driver. Here you're gonna simply go to either browse my computer or search automatically. So I normally go for browse, and I would click here and I would choose the latest version of the drivers, and then I would click next and this will automatically update. So after you do this, restart your computer and see if this fixes your issue. Now next thing I suggest you do is simply go to Google here, and here you want to type in AMD Windows drivers download, and here you're gonna see drivers from Windows websites. So click download Windows drivers. So once you download, you're gonna go through the installation process and you're gonna install the drivers, the latest drivers. So here I can show you an example. It simply will tell you to go through some processes and to agree to some things. So after you're done with the process and the installation, try to restart your computer and see if this fixes your issue. Now next thing I suggest you do is go here, type in CMD, right click, run as administrator, click yes, and here you need to type in sfc /scan now and press enter and let it scan. This will scan through errors and any errors through your computer. So after you do this, now you're gonna go here and type in register editor, click OK, and here you need to go to this file location. So go to HKey local machine, then go to system. Here you'll see system, and inside of system go to current control set, and then inside here you're gonna go to control. Inside of control you're gonna find a graphics card. So here you'll see this one. So this is inside of control. Click on graphics drivers. So inside of graphics drivers you need to find a folder that is called TDR delay. If you don't have one like me, click on new N-word, D-word 32-bit value, and here you need to type in TDR delay and then press enter, and here you're gonna click on it and type in, make sure the value is 10 and press OK, and after that restart your computer and hopefully this should fix your issue.